Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how you can generate 10 random IMEI numbers for HUAWEI Nova 13. So to this, first find your email address of your HUAWEI, which you can do by dialing in your phone app this number. And if you found your email address, you can also find in the settings in the about phone section, and you have to now enter the imei.info website and type in the email address right here and press enter or check email. You will find some basic info about your phone, and here you can find the random email generator and press generate random email. As you can see, the website has generated 10 random email addresses for this model. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.